In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline a photo using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva is a fantastic tool that's accessible to everyone, making photo editing both easy and enjoyable. Let's dive right in and explore how you can outline your photos for that extra pop. First things first, head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Look at the upper right corner of the screen and you'll find the login button. You can log in the way that suits you best using your Google account, Facebook, or simply by entering your email address. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open Canva and either create a new design or navigate to an existing one that you want to work on. If this is your first time, don't worry. Creating a new design on Canva is straightforward. Spending a little time familiarizing yourself with the interface can make your design process far more efficient. Once you're set up with your design area, the next step is to upload the photo you wish to outline. If you don't have a specific photo in mind, you can also browse through Canva's extensive library and select an image that catches your eye. Once your photo is chosen, the next action is to click on it. This will select the image you want to work with. Now you should look towards the top menu and click on Edit Image. This is where the magic happens. In the Edit Image panel that appears, scroll down until you find the Shadows option. It's essential to take your time because this step is crucial for creating an outline effect that really stands out. Once you've located Shadows, click on Glow to add a glowing effect to your photo. This is the beginning of your outlining process. But we don't stop there, it's only the foundation. Next, it's time to customize the glow's appearance. Here you have full creative control, so let your creativity run wild. Within the customization options, you can make adjustments to various aspects of the glow. These include the size of the outline, the transparency, the amount of blur, and the color. Each of these elements can be tweaked to achieve your desired outline effect. If you want a bold look, you might choose a larger size and brighter color. For something subtler, you might select a softer glow. With these adjustments, you're set to have a beautiful outlined photo that can enhance any design or creative project. Experimentation is key here, so don't hesitate to play around with the settings until you're satisfied. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to outline a photo in Canva, giving you the tools to make your images truly shine.